Mom. I dropped something off for you at the dorm today. It was Dad's actually, and I've been holding on to it since he passed, so I guess just don't forget to pick it up later, okay? Love you.
Please use this laptop to watch the video I made you. Remember, the future is in your hands. Love, Dad. I apologize that you have had to grow up in a world like this, and that you have to look forward to this future. During my generation and the few before mine, we are careless about the earth and inconsiderate towards the future generations. Petroleum, coal, and natural gas are currently the main sources of fuel, energy, and many other products, just as they have been for nearly the past 100 years. We have consumed so much of these materials without dealing with the waste they emit. These waste gases, especially carbon dioxide, have contributed to the global warming of our Earth. The Earth is hotter now than it has ever been in human history. This is a devastating issue because global warming can cause polar ice caps to melt, rising the sea level and submerging coastal cities all over the world. Additionally, the excess of carbon in the atmosphere acidifies the ocean, destroying sea life and ecosystems. Even though this is a huge issue, I have ideas that can make a difference. There is currently too much carbon in the environment, so we need a way to get rid of it. We can capture carbon dioxide from the air and also from factories that produce carbon dioxide as a byproduct. Currently, that captured carbon dioxide is being buried in deep geologic formations like shale rock and aquifers. This is not the best idea because earthquakes and oil drilling can cause it to escape, which leads us back to the same problem. So instead of sequestering carbon dioxide deep in the earth, we can add it to the soil that is right below the surface. And that's called soil carbon sequestration. This method does not only provide a use for carbon, it also helps crops and other plants thrive. Carbon-rich soil retains more water, which is good for the roots and reduces runoff. It also increases microbe activity in soil, which helps to produce nutrients for plants. Ultimately, soil carbon sequestration increases photosynthetic activity, reducing carbon dioxide and increasing oxygen levels. Another thing that we can do with captured carbon dioxide is use it in the synthesis of other products. One example of this is urea, a crystalline organic compound. It is commonly used in fertilizers for its large amount of nitrogen. Urea, as a source of nitrogen, can provide nutrients for plants. To create urea, the two reactants needed are ammonia and carbon dioxide. It is relatively easy to obtain ammonia because it is one of the most produced inorganic chemicals. Carbon dioxide and ammonia are fed into a reactor and a two-step reaction takes place. First, 2 molecules of ammonia and 1 molecule of carbon dioxide form ammonium carbamate. This reaction is exothermic, and the heat it emits can be used to vaporize water and produce electricity by spinning a turbine. The next step is the ammonium carbamate decomposes to water and urea. The urea is then formed into 2 to 4 millimeter granules. The final product is then cooled with air, packaged and weighed so it can be ready for sale. In conclusion, the synthesis of urea from carbon dioxide not only creates a use for the carbon, but it also can help agriculture grow and thrive.